Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer your USDT from Robinhood to Crypto.com in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check steps to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll have your assets moved securely. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have active accounts on both Robinhood and Crypto.com, and that you have a balance of USDT in your Robinhood wallet. Also, verify that you're using the correct blockchain network for USDT, typically Tron or Ethereum, depending on what's supported. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or website and log in with your credentials. Head over to the Crypto section and find your USDT holdings. Tap or click on it to select the amount you want to transfer. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood might call it Send or Withdraw to Wallet. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to send, then choose the withdrawal method. You'll need to paste your Crypto.com wallet address. Double-check this to prevent any mistakes. Step 3. On the Crypto.com side, go to your app or website, navigate to your wallet, and select the option to Deposit or Receive USDT. Make sure to select the same network you used on Robinhood, like Tron for faster, cheaper transfers. Copy the wallet address and paste it back into Robinhood. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on Robinhood. You'll see a summary of fees, which can vary, so keep an eye on that. Transfers might cost a few dollars. Once confirmed, the USDT should arrive in your Crypto.com wallet within minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for security, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from Robinhood to Crypto.com in 2025. It's a simple way to manage your crypto across exchanges. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.